Myself, Sunil Kumar Kechi, Assistant Professor in College Mate. Today I teach Object Model Resource Servers. The server's object model classes are used for side server side programming and will be executed on the SharePoint servers from NewsSpace. The server's object model classes reside in the Microsoft SharePoint assembly. The general classes are available in the Microsoft available in the Microsoft. The servers manage the most process and storage data. A client requests specific data or process. The server relies process output. The client sometimes handle processing but requires server data resources for completion. The client server model differs from a peer-to-peer model where communicating systems are in the client and server with each status and responsibilities. For example, for you are create a standard consolidated application that uses the server side object model is access to site and the element inside the site and such as list and items. Point assembly can SharePoint assembly can be run only when launched on a server that has a SharePoint installed on its in the part of the SharePoint from this the the programming engaged SharePoints its item we need to retrieve properties and the methods to operate on them. The share object model provides various classes to accomplish this. In this articles we can discuss the object model with the core classes involved in the little amount of coding. There are two share points. First one server object model and second one is class is client object model where we have this client context with example. SharePoint provides the JavaScript API reference files that contains the information used to access the do and build the custom applications from the number of files. SPGS is the most important file the JSON that provide the types of members same as the Microsoft. The client server object model resources servers is a distributed communication framework of network process among a service client and service providers. The client server communication is established through a network of a of the internet. There are the object model resources servers are distributed computing operating systems and many systems and distributed systems applications advantage disadvantage concepts and client server models uses the class namings name news space, that are the object model resources servers, and we use this model. Thanks.